Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to add a flowchart in our Google Doc. Click here the dots and then look for Google Docs, and then after opening this, suppose we are creating a new document, blank document. That's why we're selecting this, and then this interface is the place where we will actually type or something else. But our main target is to add a flowchart here. So for that we have to come the insert, and then we have to look for drawing. Like in the third option is drawing, and selecting this we have two options, from drive and new. We will select new, and this is our interface that we are looking for. Now our target is adding some shapes like a flowchart, so we have to get this uh, shape at first, as we know that. That's it. And I know that the specific part is to add uh, the arrows. So arrows can be added in two ways. With the can get arrows here, we can have different types of arrows. Then suppose I want this, then I just select it and drag it. We will find this. And another way is like line type arrows. If we want to get that, there is line and drop down option, and then there is arrow. And after selecting arrow, this is the points actually. So I am connecting this point to this point, fine, and again this point to this point, and again this point to this point. You can see that this sorry for that. And using the position you can get a totally straightforward line. So in this way you can add a flowchart, and after that you have to, after using your flowcharts, and if you want to write something, then you can write here start and whatever you want to add. After doing that, you have just we will just save and close, and we will see that whatever we have drawn. And most importantly, now we can resize it. Like if we want to make it larger, then we can uh, do this like this, and then if you want to make it more smaller, then you can also do this like, and you can make it wider like this using the points. And that's it. Thank you.